What is going on, guys? Today I will be flying all of my paper airplanes. I will be doing paper airplanes too on my channel. First one, I call this the twirly spinner because it goes everywhere, guys. This right here, pretty small, but let's see how it does. That was pretty cool, right? All right, now I'm gonna do this one because this is one of my favorite ones. Last, I'm gonna do that one last. All right, got this one. This is one of my favorite ones too. That was pretty good. Okay. Oh, that went to the dash. Oh, okay. The Black Panther. I call this the Black Panther, guys. I don't know why, but I just like it. In my opinion. Okay. That thing went to the dash. 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 You saw that? I don't know if y'all saw that, man. Y'all know what y'all missing, man. Yeah, y'all know what y'all missing, man. You did. Yeah, you know what y'all missing, man. Y'all know what y'all missing. Hold up. Wait a minute. Where'd it go? Oh. Hold up. Let's throw that one more time. Let's throw that one more time. Look at it. Oh, I done flew in my closet, right? Ah! Shoot. Where'd it go? Oh. Here it is. I'm never leaving this baby. I love you. I love you. I do. I know y'all know that. Did I have one more? Who dares me to throw all of these airplanes at one time? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! I know, don't I love you. I do. Diamond stitched it in the chair. Said by no chair. I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that. Ooh, my toe, bro. Freaking hurt. No, want to fall on my bed. Oh, no. Ooh. Ah. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just acting goofy. Goofy. Okay, guys. If you like the video, comment down below. Thank you very much. Bye.